There she goes. Woo! Oh my God. I look like an emu with all the shit I'm wearing right now. Yeah, it was great. No, she's out and she's going to the shop. We're gonna drop the motor in today, so I'm pretty excited. People be like, yo, what are you doing on Boosted Ontario page, fam? Like, yo, I'm about to be boosted. You don't even know, doc. Holy smokes. Guys, she's on. Well guys, with the help of my good friends here, we got it towed all the way to the shop. Like, that's insane, man. I can't even believe that this is happening right now. It was very tedious at first, but we managed to get it on there, so yeah. Okay. Coming at you live. AC AC delete. Oh. We're deleting I just shat my pants. Yo, what? Yo, imagine I have no heat, I have nothing. No. Yo! Motor mounts are in. Fucking right. It's coming off after how many months? Like 12. 12! Damn, Dak. She's going in. She's going in. Yeah. I think a UPS truck just came to my door. I'm so sad. I was mistaken, but I'm still waiting on something that was quite crucial to the entire fuel pump setup, and I'll tell you what it is. It's literally just a connector that goes from the aftermarket fuel pump, which I got, which is a Walbro 535, to the fuel basket.
We return you now to your regularly scheduled program.
Day number 2. Much better. So now we are attempting to weld it after making some significant progress in removing the restriction in this pipe. The tarp that used to be. There was a ground here once before, but that just completely fell off. She's all on there, all sturdy. Well, knock knock, we got a delivery here. NT05s, some Firehawk NT500s. Fucking sweet. Wow. Nice. Damn. Holy shit. Looks way better. Well, we got the O2 sensors on there, and downpipe's on, and we're ready for the exhaust. Well, folks, it's about that time. The car is almost ready. Look at her. She's gorgeous. Got the exhaust nearly done. Just gotta put the muffler on. Damn. God damn, she is on. Woo! Wow. Wow. 2.5 hours. Wow. Yeah, it works.
This is break and wash of one. We make a sell 85.99.
Yeah, I got my first fluid in the car.
Yes, the Swan. Other than blood, sweat, tears, and anus.
And blood, my friend. It's so dark. You can see the swan. Oh.
Oh, no, it's a pocket. It's not this
It looks like a pocket pussy too.
one.
We're almost done. I'm very tired, and so are my friends. They pulled in a lot of heavy work for me. I can't believe it, but we're gonna be ready to start this thing in the next week. It's pretty amazing. I'm very nervous. I have no idea how it's gonna go. We're gonna have our tuner there in person to take a look at it, just to make sure we have a base map to run everything. And then we're gonna try to break in the piston rings with some load. So we're gonna have to drive it or have it on a dyno and put some load on the car. But I'm just like completely like we've come so far. And we're very lucky because we have a bunch of sunny days lately, sunny warm days. So it's kind of making us push ourselves to bring the car out sooner. So yeah, that's the status report. Other than that, we're sticking to stock turbo because COVID sucks. Supply shortage is huge this year. That goes with anything, not just car parts. So our custom turbo, we kind of said scrap the idea for now. We'll come back to it later on. We're just gonna use the turbo that came with the kit. I mean, it's significant enough to get us to 450 plus at the wheels. So I think that's a pretty big jump for me to get used to. I think it's a pretty good spot to start out at. So we're just gonna do that. But yeah, I just want to make sure the car's running okay first before putting on so much power. I think that was a smarter and wiser decision to have from the beginning before investing so much time and money into something that may not have been beneficial for me. So we're gonna go back to that custom turbo stuff next year. This year, I think we're just gonna play it out with what we have. Might not make as much power as we wanted to originally, but I'm okay with that. I just want to learn how this power feels like. Make sure the car's running A1 before we slap any more boosts on it.